In today's digital world, it has become the norm to always be on. When digital comes to a halt, so will our daily lives. For the last 20+ years, we've increasingly come to rely on our data centers, which are the foundation of our digital lives and economy. The data center, more than anything else, is designed to ensure stability and continuous operations. The Netherlands holds a unique position in the global digital world, and the main port of the Netherlands has become the digital gateway to Europe. The excellent infrastructure has led to the emergence of a digital ecosystem, which is one of the main reasons why companies from all over the world come here to establish their data distribution centers, data centers, and cloud applications. One of these data center companies is Serverius, offering connectivity and co-location services between Amsterdam and Frankfurt, two of Europe's largest internet backbones.
My name is Gijs van Gemert, CEO of Serverius. I'm responsible for bringing Serverius to a higher level. The unique thing of our company is that we combine multiple services as one. So one client can add their hardware in our data center, in our co-location facility. Then he will use our IP networking to connect to the internet, and our security services will help him to secure his own environment. In the past years, we saw an increasing demand of co-location services by our clients. To fulfill this ongoing client needs to a higher level, we really need strong partners like ABB.
We know the need of secure power to keep the data-driven business running 24 hours a day. Our data center solutions and integrated systems are designed for heavy-duty applications and the world's ever-increasing data demands. We offer technologies for cloud co-location, telecommunications, and financial services customers.
My name is Roman Koekum. I am responsible for the data center operations in the Benelux. Serverius and ABB know each other quite some time now, so we really understand the needs and the demands of their customers to build up additional data center services. Together with the operation team of Serverius, we scheduled out and plan how to do the implementation in the live continuous operation.
Why ABB? Everybody knows the quality of hardware is outstanding, the project management is done perfectly, and our clients know it's installed properly. And at the end, we offer them a good solution and the uptime will be at the highest possible.
ABB's data center team is providing the full design, implementation and services for the data center infrastructure. We are a real one-stop power shop.
Strong partnership for us with ABB is not only outsourcing your electricity needs, but working together to get the perfect solution inside our current data centers.